Ranking Italian brain rot. Let's see. Liro, lilo, lalarluilo. Number 10. Let's see. Let me cry. Brombardilo, crocodilo. Brombardilo, crocodilo. Number 1. Let's see. Bambini Kokushini. Number 6. Let's see. Freely frolo, freely frala, frolala. Number 8.
Boy, what the hell, boy?
Trililiro, trololilo, trolicino, penicillino. Number 4. Let's see. Bombardilo, bardiro. Number 9. Very good. Bambini Gassini. Number 5. Let's see. Trilolilo, trololilo, bombardilo, crocodilo. Number 2. Let's see. Ting tong, dong dong. Number 7. And number 3 is Bambini Chimpanzini.
What's up, guy?